Okay, hello to the group. John Stern, Holiday, Utah. I'm doing a quick unboxing of an Avail spool made for the Cardinal 3. And what's pushing me towards the spool is it's made for braid. And that's important because these reels, believe it or not, do not like braid whatsoever. The cross weave of the line roller doesn't cross weave these really fine braids very well. So I'm hoping that maybe this spool is going to help. This is an aftermarket spool made in Japan, made by a company called Avail, A-V-A-I-L. Should be the CDX340EX, purchased off of eBay for, I think it was $85, $89, which I don't want to say it's a lot of money. It kind of is a lot of money. But if it solves a problem and it makes the reel more better, then it's worth it. I got to tell you, the packaging coming out of Japan is awesome. I don't know if they send those or they're kind. I don't want to say kind. It sounds so bad. I don't know if the Japanese go through some kind of special packaging school or something, but it's pretty amazing. My rubber band just came off my phone mounted. Hope it's okay. All right, let's see what this is all about. Pull this out. Here we go. Got some literature. This is it right here. The Avail. Really nice packaging and marketing materials here. Let's take a look at it. Everything's in Japanese. This is it. Really lightweight, which will be very advantageous to the Cardinal series, because their reel spools are fairly, I don't want to say hefty. I don't want to, overblow it, but it's not like this. And then this is kind of fluted and lipped right here. Just for kicks, I got the old Cardinal 3, which I haven't used in a while. Let's see how it fits. I keep wanting to love the Cardinal 3 because it's just amazing, or the Cardinal series. I have two old school Cardinal 4s. I have a new school Abu Garcia Cardinal 4 and a new school Abu Garcia Cardinal 3. And then this. So, and I chose the gold so it doesn't look like a standard piece of equipment. I know it's different. And the EX has holes, and it's supposed to be lighter. This is a really nice quality piece. I don't know how they make it for that cheap. And it just snaps right in. It's interesting how the base of the reel is above the spool. I wonder if this one does the same. Yeah, I guess so. I guess it's aligned. Never noticed that before. So what I will probably do is I will probably put the Suzukibo Fire FT 4.9 pound line on it. Got this off of AliExpress. It's a very stiff braid. It's a fairly expensive braid coming from AliExpress. The 300 meters, 500 meter spools like this are like $25. You can maybe get them on sale once in a while for a couple bucks off, maybe 23, 24. But this braid is the stiffest laying braid I've found, and I love it. I hate the willowy, flowing type braid that is typical in this world for very light pound braid. The only con of this stuff, I bought the black, comes in two colors, black and white, is that it's really thin. It is crazy thin, and it's I'm 55, and my I'm getting old, believe it or not, and my eyesight is good, but I'm 55 years old, and it's tough. It's tough trying to tie this stuff because it's like you have to be a watchmaker in order to tie your knots. And that's just in the house. I can't imagine what it's like out in the, yeah. So this is, as I look at my notes here online, the Avail CD340EX, available on the eBay. Hedgehog Studio is the seller. I'll put links in the description. And it sells for $88 shipped. And that's the other thing about buying from Japan. Their shipping is incredible. I can order stuff from Japan and get it in 3 days. And I can order stuff from Oklahoma and it takes 6 days. Yeah. If you order from Japan, you know what I'm talking about. Okay. Well, I'm going to spool it up and go out probably tomorrow, maybe even tonight. And we'll see what happens. Oh, and I love that. I love that clicker sound. Great stuff. Oh, and check it out. It has reverse. Huh. Isn't that novel? I'm being facetious because all the reels now don't have any reverse. And the drag's up here. And it's not, yeah. All right. Hope this was informative. Please like and subscribe. Appreciate all the support. Numbers are coming up. Maybe they'll be monetized this year. Cheers.